Jailhouse. Stay far from toxic friends and anything toxic that or get me in a trouble and get me in a bag and the mix. Stay far away from it. Surround myself with more so people who are positive and just want something out of life. And I see it happen. I'm not going to see it because I remember I fall off. So
it is a girl Annie Boo ends back with a live with Ivany. Mr. Guys, it's a very interesting video. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all.
Life alright. The only thing I'm working on right now is to better off myself. Stay far from prison and jailhouse. Stay far from toxic friends and anything toxic that or get me in a trouble and get me in a bag and the mix. Stay far away from it. Surround myself with more so people who are positive and just want something out of life. And I see it happen. I'm not going to see it because I remember I fall off. So I'm not going to really say I surround myself with different type of energy right now. I realize Ivany in the mix. Now them I got screen record and them I got post, but the screen record them I got post now. Them can't say I mix up because I'm in a class. Nobody me not bring them just talk my own business. So them I put my business out there and them I got 8 for my business, which is fine. But them can't say me not mix up, me a cuss, them can't say me a thief, me not scam no page, me not take nobody page, me not go to nobody page, me not sell nothing to give you money. Me not mash up no girl house, me not go for no man car again. Me not take back this, me not take back that, me not cuss okay, you not give me this. Me see shades are true, me not pick it up on my head, cause my name no call. Competition a go on, I pick it up on my head, because I'm not in a none, I never join none, I never put ice in a none. So with these things be said, I don't think I should be in any problem because I just stay to myself. And that me I do, bro. That me I do. So if I that me I do, I'm a fall off, well, something I have to fall off at the bridge. Y'all, I'm gonna do surgery in 2 weeks. So if TikTok lockdown, make sure you're grabbing my page on favorited or follow me on Instagram. Make sure y'all grab me on Instagram or grab me on favorited. If TikTok is gonna go away for real, I don't know. So don't tell them nothing. No, me have to tell them in case something. No know about me. My mouth can't lock. When me did do my surgery, let me tell you something. I don't think you understand what is the meaning of social media. Social media. Oh, Naya mother, Jesus Christ. Hi, how are you? You're alright? Make sure you're alright, you know. Somebody, one of my sensation did that tell me, say, because me and Naya did to play for him birthday match, you know. And so one of my sensation tell me that Naya brother did go live. Set it that way that nobody can move it from the way. Don't stop teach my style and make it look like other people's style. And my style. And me first time I want judge to put it that way there. When judge put it that way, then nobody can move it from the style. And me say it. Me say it. Once nobody no lick my picnic. And when I send him go out and come back just the way I send him, there will be peace on earth. That's it. Feed him. Feed him. And I think he will be alright. I'm not going to tell no lie. I think he will be alright. I don't think say nobody go in trouble him. But I tell him say, but think the father love him, but him just not feed him. He love him, but he ain't want to feed him. I stop it, because I just give that to you. Hell no. Stop it. You stop it right now. Come. Alright. Be yourself, man. Yeah, I think he will be alright regardless. regardless, I think he'll be alright. For nobody not touch him, lick him, not pinching upon him, good. There will be peace on earth. And nobody not go to jail. Nobody not go 6 feet deep, and everything will just be normal, and everybody gonna be alright. Nobody not go. Yeah, everything will be nice. And that's just it. The birthday was a show for Ivany. That wasn't a win. You know why it wasn't a win? If my name wasn't brought up on the birthday, then that would be a win. You can't have your birthday celebration and it's all about Ivany. That alone make your points drop off.
What does a duck say? Meow. Moo. Quack, quack. We can quack, quack here.
Right? And them screen record it and put it up, you go hear them now. Watch her now. She run down by Rolex and she go dead for hungry now. She love Provy, she IP. She run down by Rolex and can't pay rent. Bro, you can't please these people. That's what you have to just do you. You can't please them. You have to just like my son. They might try to put my son in a competition. Me see them. One at a time would I turn on my live and start at the most way. Bro, I tell you say, me not even pay them no mind. If my son feel like him not want to walk him, have a mother to lift him up. If my son feel like him don't want to eat no food, I have the money can buy any for me $60 for one and I buy them all three of them I buy a data, I kind of tap whap them down. Me have the money can buy them. But y'all just need to respect my son name, because if you don't call my son name, the video what we not put up now get no views. Let's be real. Let's be real. No matter how you try to compete, Ivany will always be Ivany, and Ivany have the views and Ivany have the swing. No matter how you try to compete my son Ice, him have the views and him have the swing. If you don't want competition, post one video and I call my son name and I can see how much it go. Post one video with Ice and call film name and I can see how much it go. Stop use my son to promote the next one. Cause some man mix up page. I see what you know. You don't act like you don't rate him, but you will post my son now and you talk how you love him and he's doing something and you don't see the growth. But as soon as a video come up with the next one, you don't post the next one video with my son name pan it, forget views, pan the video. Build the followers off of him naturally and don't build it off of Ice. Be real. Have Ice that carry the swing. Build on the views and the followers off of him naturally and stop use my son to build followers and views off of him. Yeah, all when my son can't walk look more at one Ice the people them say. All when him not eat no food at one Ice the people them say. I don't know about nobody else at one Ice. One Ice, not two, not three. Same one Ice. I wanna go forever use Ice name to get the views. Like I'm not just sick, bro. You think I don't want to ask about him business if you come out right now to be a troublingy. Right now. And then, what do you them see me attack? Let me see me tear down everything, you know, because TikTok are going. What do you them see me attack? Hear them. Reality liquor now, that's why she can't wait for the picnic go away. Reality liquor. What reality? When I forgot all this start? All this start? Can you look like when I forgot? Who was the person in the first place wanted this to go the way how it go? I was trying to be stopped. People did that try to stop me from not go, feet not go that way there. And because of my stubborn and determination, I decided to it have to blood clot go that way there. Who was the one who agreed to call this? And the person them never want agree because if them can't have Ice separately, them not want him. So all I mean, me no want, or not going like Ivany no want do this and Ivany no want do that, which is talk bad for you because you forgot to judge and tell them why you did deny that. But all the thing I can say is, I just need to go on to. Because right now I forgot to take my driving class And at $300 and $269 and $300 daycare tell me say for keep him for 2 hours. So I can't wait for him to spend a look at 3 days for true. I can't wait so I can go deal with my businesses and go learn how to drive and do my thing them and can maybe cock up and fuck on my counter and do the things them.